What if I told you that wrinkles, fatigue, and age-related decline don't have to be inevitable? Science says you can actually slow down and even reverse aging naturally. In this video, we're diving into 6 powerful science-backed ways to turn back your biological clock and feel younger than ever. Let's get started. Aging is a natural process. Our body's functions gradually slow down. But here's the exciting part. Research shows that while we can't stop aging completely, we can control how quickly it happens. And it all starts with a few key lifestyle changes. Sleep is the ultimate anti-aging hack. When we sleep, our body repairs itself at a cellular level, improving muscle growth, cognitive function, and even metabolic health. Studies show that getting less than 6 hours of sleep increases the risk of premature aging. So aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality rest. Hormones play a huge role in aging. For men, testosterone is key to maintaining muscle, energy, and cognitive function. For women, DHEAs is a crucial hormone for heart health, blood sugar balance, and overall vitality. Simple changes like regular exercise, stress reduction, and a healthy diet can help balance your hormones naturally. Want to age backward? Hit the weights. Strength training helps prevent muscle loss, improves metabolism, and even boosts brain health. Studies show that resistance exercises can help reverse age-related muscle decline and keep you strong and independent as you get older. Your diet is one of the most powerful tools for reversing aging. Focus on plant-based foods packed with anti-inflammatory nutrients like sulforaphane and carotenoids. Studies show that diets rich in plant foods can improve heart health, lower cholesterol, and even extend lifespan. Meanwhile, reducing processed meats can slow down aging. Just like your muscles, your brain needs exercise too. Research proves that playing brain games daily can boost memory, processing speed, and cognitive function, keeping your mind sharp and youthful. So, pick up a puzzle, try a memory game, or learn a new skill. Did you know that up to 80% of skin aging is caused by the sun? Protecting your skin with sunscreen is one of the easiest ways to prevent wrinkles and keep your skin looking youthful. Studies even show that daily sunscreen use can significantly slow down visible aging over time. So there you have it, 6 science-backed ways to reverse aging naturally. Prioritize sleep, balance your hormones, build muscle, eat well, train your brain, and protect your skin. Which one of these are you going to start today? Drop a comment below and let's talk longevity. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more health tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out. Stay healthy, stay youthful, and I'll see you in the next video.